Tracking employee productivity can be a game changer for managing teams, and with Teamwork.com, it's easier than ever. Whether you're leading a small team or managing a larger workforce, Teamwork provides a streamlined platform to monitor performance, set clear goals, and track progress. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Teamwork to maximize productivity and why this software is essential for your business success. Now, let me tell you something amazing. You can start using Teamwork completely free with our exclusive bonuses, which I'll mention later in the video. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to set up productivity tracking in Teamwork, and I've got some tips that could help you boost your team's output in no time. When you first log into Teamwork, you'll notice the dashboard is clean and intuitive, so it won't take long for you to get started. You can create projects, tasks, and assign them to your team members. Each task can have deadlines, notes, and checklists, so everyone knows what's expected of them. This simple layout means you can easily track who's doing what and when, all in one place. A key feature in tracking productivity with Teamwork is the time tracking tool. By enabling the time tracking feature, your team can log the hours spent on each task, giving you a precise view of where your resources are going. This isn't just useful for payroll, it helps you identify bottlenecks and areas where your team might be overworked. If you notice one person spending too much time on a task, you can reallocate resources or adjust the timeline to keep everything on track. Another great way to track employee productivity with Teamwork is by using the Milestones feature. Milestones let you set key project goals or checkpoints. As employees complete tasks leading up to these milestones, you'll get a visual overview of the project's progress. This keeps your team aligned and gives you a way to measure their performance relative to the goals you've set. Teamwork also offers detailed reporting tools. These reports can help you get an overview of how much work is being completed, the quality of that work, and where improvements are needed. You can generate productivity reports by team, project, or individual. These insights allow you to make informed decisions about workload distribution and areas for improvement. One of the best things about Teamwork is its collaboration features. It enables communication among team members through comments, task updates, and messaging, so everyone stays on the same page. Tracking productivity becomes more effective when there's open communication, and Teamwork ensures that everyone is in the loop, so productivity doesn't drop due to misunderstandings or delays. But it doesn't end there. Teamwork integrates with other tools you may already be using, like Slack, Google Drive, and even time tracking apps. These integrations help you keep your workflow smooth without needing to jump between different platforms. For example, if you're using Slack for team communication, you can integrate it with Teamwork to receive notifications when tasks are updated or completed. This keeps your productivity data in one place. Before we wrap up, here's something crucial. You can try Teamwork completely free through the first link in the description below. And that's not all. By signing up through our link, you get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, which means you'll have even more time to explore all the features and decide if it's the right fit for your business. So, if you're serious about tracking employee productivity and ensuring your team stays on target, don't miss out on the opportunity to try Teamwork with our special offer. Click the link below and start optimizing your team's workflow today.